Here we have Joe with Luxury Daily. Joe, why is Rolls-Royce deciding to expand into Australia?
Australia has been prospering as a country for several years now. They largely dodged the recession, so they didn't sink into a rut, and they didn't lose a lot of their GDP and their overall just employee salaries and whatnot. So they've been on a good note. They're willing to spend, and Rolls-Royce hasn't really invested much in Australia, so they want to take advantage of that economy that's pretty stable, that is willing to buy luxury products. And by establishing a new dealer at an already reputable organization, they're likely to show Australian consumers that they're going to provide them with quality products.
Great, thank you.